Hello, my name is Mary. I'm glad to welcome you back once again into my lifestyle kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make quinoa salad. This is the leftover of the quinoa which I got from Sainsbury's. This is about 100 grams. So as you can see, I'm going to cook it for about 15 minutes in a saucepan. I'm going to add a cup of water to the quinoa. I'm also going to be using pressure cooker, as you can see, as I want it a bit quicker. Yes, I need a bit faster. So I'm going to also add chicken cube, but you can use chicken stock. It's up to you. The normal cooking time using pressure cooker is about 5 to 8 minutes. As I want the quinoa to be very rich, so I'm going to add some king's prawns to it. I'm going to be chopping the other salad ingredients while the quinoa is cooking. I've got here a handful of black olives, which I'm going to add to the salad as well. It's now ready. So you will know when your quinoa is ready because the little white germs will pop open and it will look more translucent consistency. I'm going to be introducing the ingredients as I'm adding them. So I'm going to start first with avocado pear. I'm going to add the oregano leaves, mint leaf, stuffed green olives, which I bought from Sainsbury's with garlic. I'm also going to add some chopped onions, chopped cucumber, and black olives. That's yum. Oh, this is my cherry tomato. That is so sweet. And I'm going to add the king's prawns. I love it. It's so yum. Then parsley for that lovely flavor. You can't afford to miss it. The flavor is so good. Now I'm going to add also black pepper for a bit of, that kind of taste, Drizzle some lemon juice. Toss all the ingredients together until the flavor infuses into the quinoa. If you need a little bit more of olive oil or lime, you can add to it. After that, transfer your quinoa into a serving dish and get ready to dive in. I got this olive oil from Sainsbury's. It's very spicy. That's why I love it. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit on the salad. Just for you to know, quinoa is rich in protein and is gluten-free. This salad will have everyone buzzing at your dinner table. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. And if you like the video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please leave us a comment below. Thank you. See you some other time. Bye.